Well, well, well. A first of its kind, an international bout here, right here at the KFL 04. This is what we're talking about. Good stuff. A battle of the ages, arch rivals in any format, be it cricket, be it football, be it rugby, be it anything. You put an Indian and a Pakistani together, you're asking for a fight, and here is, we've given you a fight between India and Pakistan.
You know, all that responsibility falling on Abhishek Singh's shoulder. The 21-year-old stepping in on short notice to fight Nasibullah, a formidable opponent. And you know, whenever India and Pakistan met, just like Shyam said, it's a war.
And there's a subtle tension in the air, you know. Even Sri Lankans are like, oh, what's going to happen? Because I'll tell you what, the opponent that he's fighting is also no ordinary fighter. Abhishek Singh has competed in multiple amateur kickboxing and Muay Thai bouts in the Indian regional scene and has also competed in many pro fights. So he is bringing in a lot of talent, technique, heart and determination into this bout. Let's see how he performs.
Tell us about it.
You know, Nasibullah, he has won the national championship in Pakistan. He has gone to Istanbul and many other countries. He has taken part in international bouts and he has won in all of them. This guy is no joke, and when he comes in to this ring, you know, it's guaranteed fireworks with this guy. Because I have to talk about KFL organizing a fight like this, because an India-Pakistan fight happening in Sri Lanka, this is why it is not just a K1 league in Sri Lanka, but it is a K1 league for all of South Asia. Fighters from this region can come to Sri Lanka and show their skills to the world.
This is exactly why we are South Asia's largest K1 fight league.
You know, they have a reputation, the Pakistanis, in the kickboxing scene, to be very ferocious fighters. So Abhishek Singh is going to have a very tough fight.
Let me tell you something, okay? This guy is a Pathan. Pathans, by nature, are tough, like built to battle. And these guys are very close to the Afghan border, right?
Really?
This boy, he will not step down. He will not back down. He's going to keep coming at you like
All
a
right,
Terminator.
ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for one of the feature bouts of the evening? Ladies and gents, this is one of the oldest rivalries in the world. At the Taprobane, live with a sold-out arena, it is India versus Pakistan. Three-minute rounds in the super middleweight division. Introducing first, fighting out of the red corner, a mixed martial artist and kickboxer standing 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 75 kilograms, representing Team India. Make some noise for Abhishek Singh. And introducing his opponent, fighting out of the blue corner, a kickboxer standing 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighing in at 75 kilos, fighting for Team Pakistan. Make some noise for Nasibullah. And when the battle begins, please welcome into the ring your referee for the bout, Mr. Vasantha Senaratne. Fight fans, let's go to war!
At 5 feet 11 inches tall and weighing in, both fighters are weighing in at 75 kilograms, and this bout will be held under standard K1 rules. Match official, Vasantha Senaratne.
Hang on a second. I actually went to double check if I was right with my geographical findings. He is in fact a Pathan.
Really?
And suddenly my money is on this guy.
Nasib on the offense.
Nasib
Wow.
Ullah.
No,
The
Abhishek
man
Singh.
has been doing the rounds. He knows what he's doing. Abhishek seems to also. Whoa.
Nasib caught him with the right hand. But Abhishek fired before that strike. Abhishek strike back with a couple of leg kicks, an inside leg kick, an outside leg kick just now.
Right.
Abhishek needs to be very careful with those punches. The cross by Nasib is very vicious, and it caught him 2 times by now. India versus Pakistan is a centuries-old rivalry.
You got that right.
But you know, they showed respect at the beginning of the fight, so
The Pakistan coach is also no slouch in his own right. He's a silver medalist, and he's also trained in China.
yeah.
And the man has a lot of respect in the fraternity.
In Pakistan. Ooh, a cross by Nasib. He caught Abhishek a couple of times there, but Abhishek seems to be unfazed. Ooh. A jab lands clean by Nasib.
Nasib looks to be the better physical specimen, though.
Very clearly. A head kick by Nasib and a follow-up body kick by Abhishek.
No major strikes of note as of yet.
Both orthodox fighters. Ooh.
Oh, that stumbled Abhishek.
Big bombs, and he
To
goes
the ground he
down.
goes.
Wow.
I think it was a right hand, Senitha.
It was a right hand. It was straight 1-2s, but the cross did the job. And it wobbled Abhishek bad. And referee Vasant Senaratne giving a standing 10 count.
I need to also recognize the presence of some members of the Pakistan High Commission who
Oh,
are
they're
also
here.
here in attendance. Yes, they've accepted our invitation, so thank you very much. We also have members of the Bangladesh High Commission with us as well.
Well, next up we'll see a Bangladeshi fighter at KFL.
Who knows? But you know, they were very happy to accept. In fact, the Indian High Commission also were invited, but they were unable to make it due to a
Nasib seems to be hyping up the crowd here. Abhishek was, the medical official just tended to Abhishek, and the referee has deemed that it is appropriate to continue the fight. Or not? Yes.
He's waiting for the medical officers to sit down.
Not sure what happened there though. Was it
No, just waiting till they took their seats.
Yeah.
I still feel that our young Pathan fighter should have this in the bag.
Big reactions out of Abhishek each time Nasib enters his ball.
Yeah, Nasib needs to be I beg your pardon, Abhishek needs to be a bit more careful. He has his guard down all the time and he executes those kicks. And Abhishek, I beg your pardon, Nasib just charges in with the 1-2s. Ooh. I believe it was a jab that landed clean by Abhishek. Good on the Indian. Final 10 seconds. I'm looking at this from ringside and I can see the power. I can feel the power of Nasib Ullah's punches. Sham, they're bombs.
They are absolute bombs. Tell you what.
Here we go, the second round. Ooh, another.
Wait, looks like he is though.
But I'll tell you what, Abhishek can take a punch and still come forward. He landed a couple of kicks there. A side kick to the body, but big body shots by Nasib.
Yeah, Nasib not accepting that clinch, just punching his way out of it.
Yeah.
Man, he has the bit between his teeth, this Nasibullah here. Again, Abhishek trying to tie up, but Nasib just punching his way out. You don't see this that often from fighters.
This is, the aggression by Nasib Ullah is amazing so far here in the second round.
Man, Nasibullah looking like the highest level we
he's in
have
trouble.
seen at KFL.
Abhishek is in
He
trouble.
really does look like a world-class fighter.
Wow. And that is the second count of the fight. Abhishek seemed to be wobbled, right before those strikes landed clean.
Yeah. I mean, Vasant Senaratne giving Abhishek a lot of opportunity to work, but you could stop the fight right here. It doesn't have the body language of a guy who looks like he wants to continue right now.
He's taking a lot of punishment, yeah. Oh, another big thunderous right hand by Naseeb from the clinch. And he has Abhishek
Right
in a
hand
corner.
land-
Oh!
That right hand
that's
landed
the
right
end.
on the ear, and that's all she rose, I imagine. If
I think-
Abhishek pulls himself to his feet here, that would be remarkable.
I think that's all she wrote.
What a moment for Naseeb Ullah making his debut. And referee Vasant Senaratne calling off the fight.
And that is a knockout.
Naseeb Ullah wins by technical knockout. Wow.
Quick clinical work from Nasibullah.
In his debut fight.
That's good stuff.
That's good stuff. I want to see him again in the future.
His coach slapping him across the face.
You're gonna love those two guys. They're hilarious together. You know, they joke, they talk, they do a lot of funny stuff. And above all, I need to also make a side remark over here. Big shout out to 10Z by Shahid Afridi for coming on board. The moment they knew that Pakistan was representing, they wanted to be a part of KFL. And not only that, they're now looking to have a distribution network in Sri Lanka. 10Z is an isotonic drink made for sportsmen and women across the world to hydrate and get the best performance of themselves. Thanks to that, and right now Sri Lanka has an opportunity to also welcome 10Z by Shahid Afridi into Sri Lanka.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for these two champions coming all the way here to KFL 04 from India and Pakistan, one of the oldest rivalries. Let's make some noise from Sri Lanka for India and Pakistan. All right, ladies and gentlemen, referee Vasanta Senaratne calls an end to the fight midway during the second round, declaring the winner by knockout, Naseeb Ullah from Team Pakistan.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the super middleweight bout is Naseeb Ullah from Team Pakistan. And now, the first runner-up receives